So Google Scholar is a good place to search for medical information that's reliable for several reasons. And so you can go to scholar.google.com, type in some of the terms that you're searching for, and of course, having different terms, having the scientific terms. Also, if you have a phrase that you want the words to stick together, you would put those in quotation marks and then use other words to supplement that and to get it to be more specific results. So here we've done a search and there's 730 results. I have sorted the results by date. So it immediately comes up as sorted by relevance, and you have to click on sort by date. You can also just do a custom date range. Uh, it then gives you things that are really recent. So, for example, this one is 4 days ago. Here's one that is 5 days ago. And when you click on one of the articles, usually if you want the whole article, you would need to be at a library where you can have access to their databases that they pay for. But one of the interesting things that you can do is to click on an article. Let's just do this one randomly. And when you click on the article, then it will give you the abstract of that article. But more importantly, it will give you the names of the people who are doing the research and also the related articles um, in that research. So, for example, I guess this is not a good example, but this would have the author and the place, um, so that you can start getting an idea of some of the people who are specialists in these medical treatments. So, for example, here's one. If you click on this one, um, here are the authors. You can start to get an idea of which doctors are doing the research or the treatments. You have the abstracts, which provides enough information that if you want more information, you can go to a library and get it. Um, Also, you can get the references sometimes or related articles. Um, Here are some of the keywords, so you can search for different keywords. Um, some of the other search tips, if you go to the Google Scholar search tips, you can, like I said, search by date to get the full text of the article. Usually you would have to be in a university, sometimes a public library, but usually a university library or a hospital library if you're getting medical information. Most universities will allow you to go there for free and use their computers and use their databases. Picking up different types of terminology will help. So, doing other research, writing down some of the keywords that you might not have been familiar with, and also clicking on cited by to see newer papers that reference the articles that you're looking at. Some of these will be more specific, and if you go to they've referenced some of those um, articles and research papers will be more general. Uh, and so that is how to do a search with Google Scholar.